Hi, good morning. We'll be having the ham omelet. Yeah, and then add in the a la carte, the two eggs a la carte.
Two eggs, okay?
Yeah.
How did we cook the eggs for you, sir?
Yeah. And can we have an extra plate?
Okay. And the eggs, how did we cook?
Scrambled.
Okay. And for the omelette, what kind of cheese? We had cheddar, jack or Swiss?
Do you have mozzarella?
No, only cheddar, jack or Swiss.
Can you put it just on the side?
What would you like inside? What kind? Big
Cheddar.
cheddar.
Sorry.
You want cheese on the side? Okay, sure. I'll take it for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kasi nung hindi ko malamig na, hindi na masarap yung cheese. Toppings na lang.
All out tayo. Bukas pangalawa na. Rice. Shrimp rice na yung inuwi.
Shrimp.
Nagawin ko ng shrimp rice.
Well, actually, isip ko sa lunch spaghetti.
Yung lasagna pala, pinasok ko sa freezer.
Oh.
Wala lang, baka testing ko lang. Pwede ba yung effective ba yung pinipres tas kakainin ulit?
Ayun, hindi ko ganun naman yung nasa 7-Eleven. Frozen. Ay, yung mga nila dito, di ba? Yung mga frozen pizza, frozen lasagna. Tapos mga microwave. Ang ano mo lang, pag microwave mo, dapat may cover. Tapos, pwede mong lagyan ng konting tubig para mag-steam siya.
Pero wala, hindi ba meron naman tayo siyang init na tubig kasi nilagyan.
Ayun. Pero huwag mo i-direct mo sa microwave mo. Kasi titigas. Eh yung donut mo, tinapon ko yun kasi
Hindi talaga.
kahit in-microwave mo.
Yung tinapay nila dito.